What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the size of your Photoshop canvas. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Adjusting the canvas size in Photoshop allows you to tailor the workspace to fit your design needs, whether you're creating room for additional elements or framing your artwork properly. The most straightforward method to change the default canvas size in Photoshop when you're about to start a new project is right at the beginning when you launch Photoshop on your PC. Select the File tab at the upper left corner of your screen and select New. On the pop-up window, you will see a couple of preset options, such as Photos, Web and Mobile-based canvas designs. You also have the option to create your very own custom-sized canvas in Photoshop. To create a custom canvas size in Photoshop, select your parameters of measurement, such as inches or pixels, and proceed to enter your measurements for the custom canvas size. A common canvas size is 1920 by 1080 pixels for a 16 by 9 format. Feel free to set your color mode, color depth, as well as other related options on this window. Click on Create when done. You still have plenty of options to resize your canvas size in case you started your project with the wrong canvas size. To change your canvas size while working on your Photoshop project, click on the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you have the option to determine the width and height of your canvas size. You can also change them in a fixed aspect ratio by clipping together the width and height dimensions. If this is not feasible for you, you can select the Crop tool from the list of tools available on the left side of the window. After selecting the Crop tool, you can freely change the canvas size to your liking. Hit Enter when done. If you need more options to change the canvas size, click on Image in your toolbar and click on Canvas Size from the drop-down menu. On the pop-up window, you have the option to change the width and height of your canvas size as well as their measurements. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.